Think transport drones are already impressive? Think again. The FlyCart 200 is here, and it's pushing aerial transport to a whole new level. Built for heavy-duty missions, this next-generation drone delivers more power, more efficiency, and far greater carrying capability. At its heart is a coaxial dual-rotor system paired with a new 120-volt high-voltage platform. The result? An incredible 200-kilogram payload capacity, a flight range of up to 36 kilometers, and speeds reaching 25 meters per second. In short, it's built to move serious cargo, fast. But raw power is only part of the story. Safety gets a huge upgrade too. The FlyCart 200 packs 11 safety sensors, a 7-eye vision system, millimeter wave radar, and a new 256-line LiDAR. Together, they boost surface detection by 1.5 times and improve small object detection by 5 times. The drone constantly maps terrain and obstacles in real time, helping it avoid hazards and operate more safely. The rear-mounted Tri-Eye vision system takes things even further. Using SS technology, it improves positioning accuracy in difficult environments. Meanwhile, dual FPV cameras provide a wider live view and up to 5x zoom, giving operators better visibility when it matters most. Loading and unloading are safer too. A built-in loudspeaker can warn pedestrians and alert nearby workers about terrain conditions. And in emergencies, the depth-sensing light and protective net canopy can automatically deploy to help protect people and property. The FlyCart 200 also features a flagship air conditioning system and an active hook with electric opening and closing. Cargo can be loaded or unloaded at speeds of 1.2 meters per second, while automatic deceleration and one-button unloading make operations smoother and easier. There's more. The drone supports the DL200 transport system with a fixed 15-meter production line for cost-effective operation. 3 built-in force sensors reduce cargo sway and provide real-time weight readings. And if cargo gets tangled, a one-button untangling feature helps get things back on track quickly. For communication, the new 8-antenna O4 image transmission system delivers a range of up to 40 kilometers. It also supports dual 4G enhanced transmission and image repeaters, helping maintain a stable connection even in areas with heavy interference. Team operations are easier as well. Dual control support allows smoother collaboration, while the upgraded DJI AirSense system provides real-time alerts for nearby aircraft and drones, adding another layer of safety. And finally, battery performance gets a major boost. With a larger 46Ah battery and support for both dual and quad battery setups, the FlyCart 200 delivers longer flight times along with faster, more efficient charging. But that's not all. The new C18000 charger brings a major upgrade of its own. With an advanced air cooling system, it stays stable even during intense operations. It can fast-charge dual batteries and support multiple charging devices at once. DJI has also added a base-mounted cooling system, allowing continuous operation in extreme temperatures, especially critical during emergency rescue missions where every second counts. The FlyCat 200 also supports optional dual gimbal brackets and works with DJI H30 series and S1 mounts. Thanks to its plug-and-play design, installation is quick and hassle-free. Dual PSDK ports also allow third-party payload integration, opening up even more possibilities for specialized missions. And here's where things get really interesting. For heavy transport operations, the FlyCat 200 supports multi-aircraft collaboration. Up to 4 drones can work together at the same time, increasing total transport capacity to an incredible 600 kilograms. Multiple formation modes are available, and surprisingly, the entire mission can still be controlled by a single operator. Built-in obstacle avoidance keeps formation flights safe and reliable. The system can even adjust aircraft positions and spacing automatically to maintain balanced payload distribution. It also supports one-click tether deployment and retraction, making coordinated transport missions smoother and more efficient than ever before. On the software side, DJI has heavily optimized the DJI Delivery App for transport operations. It supports flight path recovery, automated loading and unloading points, and intelligent route planning. The result is a simpler workflow and a big boost in operational efficiency. Beyond flight operations, the platform also provides a complete solution for work data settlement, equipment management, and after-sales support, helping teams stay organized and work together more effectively. DJI Private Transport is fully compatible with the FlyCart 200 as well. Operators can monitor flights in real time, manage multiple aircraft missions, and track the entire transport process from start to finish. Important safety features include multi-aircraft conflict alerts, automatic route verification, and real-time monitoring of signals and wind conditions. Safe, powerful, and packed with intelligent technology, the new FlyCart 200 is built to transform aerial logistics, taking transport operations higher, farther, and beyond traditional limits. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.